Domingo Quason Cruz. I say again Mark Cruz, if you don't understand with your parents, you should be non-partisan. You should be non-political. I'm not posting about politics. Like everyone, not to post politics. Teacher Jessa, you remember Teacher Jessa Fernandez. She's former teacher in CDIFI. She's my teacher at the time. When I was there, I was alongside with Ralph Guevara, Gabriel Nara, Lawrence Villawan, Joan Garcia, Diana Esguerra, and who else I remember? Vincent Kim Martinez, correct. You see in the teacher Jessa Fernandez is not posting politics because she is non-political. I always talk with teacher Jessa at the time. I said, she never posts about politics. She never side with the Marcos loyalists. She never side with the Kakampink. She never pick any side. Because she is Duterte supporter. She is non-partisan. Like Calvin Cuevas, non-partisan. If I say again, Mark Cruz, if you post about against Duterte, people there are gonna bully you. People are gonna bash you in social media. Why I bash you in social media, Mark Cruz? You are wrong for posting nonsense. I've been many times I told to curse Sean Mengito. I've been many times I criticize at Mark Cruz. Don't you even know that Duterte supporters are very angry at you? Kuya Park official is very angry at you. Not even just that. You say bad words at Kitty Duterte, the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte. You call her an F word. What is that word? The word fuck. Where did you get that words, Mark Cruz? Don't you even know there is that is a cyberbullying, Mark Cruz? You're the one who bullied me in last 2019. You're a bully. And I'm saying again, Mark Cruz, why are you posting about against Duterte? Let me ask you something in one by one. Like I say to you, Mark Cruz, inaano ka ba ng mga Duterte? Bakit mo minura mo si Kitty Duterte? Why did you say about bad words? About F word? You know, Mark Cruz, I'm not saying bad words like this. You're the one who's saying bad words many times. Where did you get that words, Mark Cruz, You don't know what you're talking about? Even you call me an asshole word, you call me an F word. Give me a break, Mark Cruz. If you bash Kitty Duterte, I will bash Sam Rascal. You don't really give a shame to Sara Duterte's half-sister named Kitty? What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? What is wrong about what you're saying about against Duterte? Even Paulo Baste, even Sara Duterte. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? Don't you even know, Mark Cruz, that Sara Duterte's husband was a lawyer named Man Scarpio? Don't you even know that Sara Duterte is a lawyer too, like his father, Rodrigo Duterte? He's a prosecutor lawyer. Don't you even know you're accusing a lawyer, Mark Cruz? What if you tried that to accuse um, what if you accuse Attorney Raul Lambino, my friend? I met him in TikTok live. What if you accuse Jimmy Bondoc? What are you gonna say to yourself, Mark Cruz, if they are lawyer? What if you accuse Rodante Marcoleta? He is a lawyer. Oh. What if you try to accuse Rowena Guanzon if she is a lawyer? Mark Cruz, they're all lawyers. You do not know what you're talking about. And you're saying bad words many times. If you bash Rowena Guanzon, Mark Cruz, I say again, Rowena Guanzon will beaten you, Mark Cruz. Even you saying about Nguyen Pongkan, you call her kettle cow, you bash her, you bash everyone, you bash the Miss Earth 2025 candidates, and you call themselves assholes, and you call themselves ugly. You know, Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself. I've been chat John Angelo Viloria. I told him, if you seen Mark Cruz, if he attempt to enter the Miss Earth 2026 coronation night in November 14, beaten him. I don't want to see this monster Mark Cruz again. You make my mental angry. You make my head angry, Mark Cruz. You do not know what you're talking about. You make my head hurt, Mark Cruz. You want to destroy Duterte? Come on, Mark Cruz. Let's have boxing in Caloocan. We have a boxing here. We have a match. We have some boxing rematch. We have one-on-one boxing instead of online rambulan. If I'm saying to you, Mark Cruz, we have one-on-one boxing match. And you don't know what you're talking about. Even Katie Duterte, you call her an F word. What if I say that to Sam Rascal? I call her ugly. Now you will get yourself angry, Mark Cruz. Oh, you know, Mark Cruz, I say to you, stop posting about political affiliation. Stop posting about against Duterte. It's really a cyberbullying, Mark Cruz. That is cyberbullying. Believe me, it is a cyberbullying. Oh, you're bullying Duterte supporters, Mark Cruz. Oh, that is a cyberbullying. Because I don't think if I say that Mark Cruz is a Marcos loyalist, wannabe named Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, why can't you shut the fuck up, Mark Cruz? I'm sorry to say bad words. Just shut up, Mark Cruz. Stop posting about political affiliation. You should be non-partisan. Look at Baham Hernando. I've been talked to the security guard in Conduit Stellar Place yesterday. Baham is non-partisan. He's not related to politics. Just like Danmar, just like Cedric, they are non-political. Even I'm saying, even Teacher Kel, Eskel Penumbra, non-political, non-partisan. Jens Manaid, even his family members are non-partisan. Even even me, I'm non-partisan too. As I'm a pro Duterte, I am a non-partisan. Can you just be a non-partisan, Mark Cruz? You know, you make my relative Nanay Banji is angry at you. You make my relative Nanay Ningning is very angry at you. And you label me as a Nazi German. You make everyone angry at you, Mark Cruz. If you don't want to stop, you have to stop. I say again, have you never heard that their parents never reprimand Mark Cruz? Even teacher Alexander Pagalinawan, they saying about against Duterte. You know, I say to both of you, teacher Alexander Pagalinawan, I will never forget for what you're saying about against Jeric Silva about bomb joke and bomb threat. Do you want to be happen to Paulo Cruzada? That he was being scolded by his parents, that he was being reprimanded by his parents to prohibited him to using Facebook. What about you, Mark Cruz? Your parents didn't reprimand you for posting about nonsense, to posting about against Duterte. What am I gonna say to both of you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Mark Cruz? Both of you are anti-Duterte. Both of you are abnormal. Mark Cruz is not really autism. He's not Asperger. He's what is it? Antisocial personality disorder. He and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Compared to Zachary, compared to Michael Sarmiento. That was the tutorial from Teacher May. That was a student of Teacher Marisa. That is really hard to say. Autism Asperger's, they never pose political. They are non-partisan. Like Jeric Silva, non-partisan. Just like Christian Mengito, non-partisan. Everyone are non-partisan. Do you remember Miggy Labitag, non-partisan? Because he's not siding to any political color. Mark Cruz, stop posting about political. You want everyone get angry at you? Do you want Ate Hana and Kuya Jay and Ate Isa, they will angry at you, Mark Cruz? Because you're not listening. Look at Ate Mirasol's son, Paulo Siaco. He's not posting political in Instagram, in threads. He's non-partisan. I was told by Ate Mirasol. Ate Mirasol is non-partisan. I just say to Ate Mirasol, I'm not a Marcos loyalist. I am a Duterte supporter. I am a non-partisan. I am a non-political. Can you just stop making political posts, Mark Cruz? You don't know what you're talking about. That's why Luis Cabales is saying to you, anong pinagsasabi mo? Like I said, it's all nonsense. Like me, I am not posting political affiliation. I just said before, when I talked to Kuya Park official, I apologize to Teacher Kel and Eskel Penumbra. I being scammed by Marcos Jr. Nabudol ako ni Bangag. I'm just saying. And now, I told to Kuya Park official, I have to be non-partisan. I have to be non-political. As I'm a Duterte supporter, I am a non-political. And I am a non-partisan. If I were you, Mark Cruz, if you don't like to be non-partisan, just shut up. Alright? Just shut up. If I were to say, I was told by Joshua Arroyo, he said it to me, manahimik ka na lang. It's better to you, Mark Cruz, to shut up.